Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to download videos from Google Drive on your phone. And now let's dive right in. In order to download the videos guys from Google Drive, first open up the Google Drive app on your phone. And after opening your Google Drive app on this section guys, you can see we're on the currently file section at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can be on the home section also, and depending upon those folders guys, your file stacks will be arranged. So locate the video which you want to download from the Google Drive. In my case, there are a lot of folders over here, so I can just download one of these videos. So you can see I had prepared one. Now in order to download it, either you can tap on the three dotted icon at the right side of that video and this menu appears and the download button is available for us. Tap on download and it will start to download, or guys, simply tap and hold on the video which you want to download and tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, and again you'll be able to download it by just tapping on download just below the open with. Tap on download and it will be downloaded guys. And with that being said guys, this is how you'll be able to download videos from Google Drive on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.